Good morning. I Nandini Jain welcome all of you. As we all know, India is very rich in culture and heritage. So now on, we'll take state by state and talk about its culture and heritage. So first, we'll talk Rajasthan. Rajasthan is culturally rich and has an artistic and cultural traditions that reflect the ancient Indian way of life. Rich and varied folk culture from villages depicting songs and classical music, the day to day relationships and the chores. If we go on cooking, Rajasthani cooking was influenced by both the warlike lifestyle of its inhabitants and availability of the ingredient in this arid region. Food that could last for several days and could be eaten without heating. The scarcity of water and fresh green vegetables had their effect on its cooking. It is known for its snacks like Bikaneri bhujia. Famous dishes include bajre ki roti and lasun ki chutney, mawa kachori, mirchi bada, pyaz kachori, ghevar from Jodhpur, alwar ka mewa, खड़ी कचौड़ी from Ajmer, malpua from Pushkar, dal kachori from Kota, and rasagullas from the Bikaner. The Mewar region of the state is the concept of the Marwari Bhoj or the vegetarian restaurants offer vegetarian food popular among the Marwaris people. If we go further, then it comes to the dal bhati churma, very popular in Rajasthan. The traditional way to serve it is to first coarsely mash the bhati and then pour pure desi ghee on the top of it. It is served with the dal and the spicy garlic chutney, the mouth-watering thing of the Rajasthan. The Ghumar dance from Jaipur, Jodhpur and Kalebia have gained international recognition. Folk music is a large part of the Rajasthani culture. Teratali, Tejaji are examples of the Rajasthani traditional folk songs relating to the heroic deeds and the love stories of the Rajasthan. Rajasthan is known for its cultural art. The block prints, tie, dye prints, gotapatti, bagasu prints, sanganer prints and the zari embroidery are major export products from the Rajasthan. Handicraft items like wooden furniture, crafts and the blue pottery are commonly found here. The colorful culture, Rajasthani clothes have a lot of mirror work and embroidery, also known as bandhani cloth. Rajasthani traditional dress for females comprises an ankle length skirt and a short top known as chaniya choli, a piece of cloth used to cover the head, both for the protection from heat and maintenance of the modesty. Rajasthani dresses are usually designed in bright colors like blue, yellow, and orange. Also, the Ghumar dance is very famous for its balancing techniques when the women place pots on their head and balance them while dancing and taking wide circles. If we talk about the festival, the Desert Festival is held once a year during the winters. Dressed in costume, the people of desert dance and sing ballads. Fairs with the snake charmers, puppeteers, acrobat and folk performers are also there. Camels, known as the ship of desert, also play a role in this festival. Thank you all for listening. This was all today for the Rajasthani culture. Let's see which state comes next on our way.